Time now for a check on our weather again. Meteorologist Vanessa Murdock is back with a look at the first alert forecast. Could not have asked for a more beautiful Easter Sunday, but things are changing.
Big changes on the way. Maybe some welcome them, but I suspect many do not. We're talking rain and much colder temperatures colliding as we roll through the work week. It is going to be a whole lot different than the beautiful weather we enjoyed this weekend. A live look outside. Skies are not as blue as they were earlier. We've got milky sunshine. The clouds are thickening. It is 60 degrees now with winds out of the west-northwest at 15. Your headlines: the clouds continue to get thicker overnight. Temperatures will drop tomorrow as we begin our unsettled stretch. A lot of opportunity for wet weather over the next several days. Here, a look at those precip chances. Tomorrow, 70% chance of essentially light rain. Best bet will be south of the city. Tuesday, a better bet for all of us to get light rain throughout much of the day. Then Wednesday will be the real soaking rainfall. Thursday, a chance for lingering showers and some snow for some. And then on Friday, still a 10% chance of a shower, especially to the north and east of the city. As we look at the temperature trend, 62 yesterday and today. Tomorrow it's a high of just 50. Tuesday into Wednesday, we're only talking highs in the mid and upper 40s, again accompanied by our very soggy weather. It is not looking pretty, but out there right now, it certainly is. It is fine. As we look at the satellite and radar picture, just some clouds overhead now, but we can follow those clouds all the way back through the Ohio Valley, back into Illinois here, Indiana, and we're going to watch as the wet weather begins to make its approach tomorrow. It will be a series of low pressures that track along this front to bring us opportunity for rain. And then the main low out to the west tracks through on Wednesday, bringing us that chance for soaking rain. Let's show you how things look hour by hour. Again, clouds thicken tonight. Tomorrow will be the day where the steady rain is least impressive. As we look at Monday morning, 6:30, you can see we've got light rain, especially south of the city, and then it kind of disappears. But I still think the morning hours into the early afternoon, we'll see a little bit of mist and drizzle, and then a little bit of improvement as we head towards sunset tomorrow, but it does not last. By Tuesday morning, steady rain is moving in for more of the region, and that trend persists through the day. So Tuesday is going to feel like a washout, even though the rain may ebb and flow. As we make our way into Wednesday, Wednesday brings us that chance for soaking rain as the strongest low pressure system moves closest to us, and as it moves off the coast, it strengthens and brings in an opportunity for snow north of the city as we make our way Wednesday into Thursday. We're going to look at that momentarily. First, a projection on just how much rain we might get over the next 7, anywhere from 1.5 inches to as much as almost 3 inches. So there's a big spread, but you get the idea. It is not a dry stretch ahead. Now let's talk about this opportunity for snow. As the low pressure system, again, that strongest one, exits on Wednesday, we start to get cold air pulled in as it exits, and that allows snow to fall. Here we look at Wednesday night through Thursday night, the possibility of snowfall. It is looking anywhere from, say, a coating to maybe 2 inches of snow at some of our highest elevations. It is very early, but there is potential here. What we will also experience is a very windy stretch, really beginning Thursday, continuing Friday into Saturday, maybe lingering into Sunday, but it is going to be a wild week ahead. Tonight, as we stay dry for the most part, temperatures will bottom out in the 30s and 40s. We hit 46 in the city tonight, 39 in the Hamptons, 45 in Trenton, and 34 in Monticello. Tomorrow, with some light rain, especially earlier in the day, we're talking about a much cooler start to the work week. 50 degrees, the high in the city, 54 for Somerville, 51 in the Hamptons, 56 tomorrow in Poughkeepsie. Now I'm going to fast forward more than a week out. Big event happening here and across much of the continental U.S. It is the total solar eclipse happening on April the 8th. Locally across the tri-state area, it's about a 90% eclipse. Just to our north and northwest, though, it will be the total solar eclipse. And I am fingers crossed that we are going to see some spectacular weather. And right now, it does look to be a beautiful day on Monday, the 8th, for the eclipse. But you know, that's a long way away still. Things can change, but we're going to hold on to hope here, folks, that that stays true so that people across the northeastern quadrant can enjoy the total solar eclipse. Your 7-day forecast, 50 with some light rain tomorrow. Again, the least impressive steady rain we'll experience when you compare it to Tuesday. More rain, colder, 48. Wednesday, some soaking rain and 47. Thursday, lingering showers, maybe some snow north and west and a high of 49. Friday, it's 53. Now we're warming back up closer to seasonable. We'll see maybe a few showers. It is going to be breezy all these days. Next weekend, though, looking really bright and beautiful with temperatures mid to upper 50s, maybe even some 60s out there. But the next 4 days are
rough.
just looking gray and very damp.
We enjoyed the weekend. Now we got to pay for it. Thanks, Vanessa.